Reliance Industries, let's pull that stock up in trade. Yesterday it was up quite smartly and brought about the rebound that we saw on the markets. Today it's down just that little bit. Oil price is also not really playing a little bit true and down now to $73 a barrel. There you have it, down about 0.5% on Reliance Industries. The news, of course, on Lyondellbasell, the petrochem major, which Reliance Industries has been eyeing. And Lyondellbasell has reached a settlement with a group of banks which paves the way for the restructuring process and the way forward for Reliance Industries as well. Ajay Sharma joins us now to give us details on that. Ajay, Lyondellbasell going ahead and restructuring some of the loans with their borrowers spells good news for Reliance?
On expected lines, Reliance Industries already was in talks with close to 10 to 12 foreign banks, HSBC, Barclays and some French banks arranging for loans, and in that light now Lyondellbasell has approached some of its lenders, a group of banks such as UBS, Citigroup. The total lawsuit was of $21 billion, and around $5 to $7 billion is what is the unsecured amount of out of this lawsuit. Now analysts are saying that $300 million, which works around 10 cents to a dollar, has been given as an initial payment. There may be one payment component in the offing. So this is a proposal. Some of the lenders say that this is unfair, but at least this tells you very clearly that Lyondellbasell is going the restructuring way. Of course, this proposal needs to be approved by the court, but it comes in the light that Reliance Industries is actually closing in to this to acquire this. And remember, Reliance Industries had stated clearly that its binding offer is conditioned to Lyondellbasell's re-emergence out of Chapter 11, restructuring its debt. Also, we are told by our sources that Reliance is keen on restricting its cash flows. So out of the $10.7 billion which we are talking about could be the valuation arrived upon for Lyondellbasell. Reliance could actually take half of that as debt, or take Lyondellbasell's debt on its own balance sheet, and would be offering around $2 to $4 billion in cash. So earlier we were thinking that most street were estimating that the entire acquisition will be funded by debt alone, but now it seems that restructuring of debt would be the critical component of this entire deal.